Question 5. A 28-year-old man who was involved in a motorcycle collision presents to the nearest trauma center to get his wounds treated. After the initial evaluation and resuscitation by the emergency trauma team, a CT scan shows a skull-base fracture. Which of the following clinical features can be seen as a long-term complication of posterior pituitary dysfunction? A. Erectile dysfunction. B. Decreased lean body mass. C. Hyponatremia. D. Polydipsia. E. Cold intolerance. This is a very straightforward question. What happens if you use our trick of reading the last line first? What is the long-term complication of posterior pituitary dysfunction? We all know posterior pituitary gland will release two hormones, that is oxytocin and ADH. If there is no release of ADH, there will be polydipsia. The function of ADH is to absorb water from the distal collecting tubule, to reabsorb water. Now, if this is not occurring, most of the water will be given out in the urine, and this will lead to polydipsia by stimulation of the osmolar receptors. Right? This is a case of nephrogenic diabetes insipidus, where a lot of water is being released in the urine, and it is a central diabetes insipidus. I'm sorry, not nephrogenic, it is a case of central diabetes insipidus by damage to pituitary gland. Nephrogenic is when ADH is in the body, but it is not able to act on the tubules. Okay, it's polydipsia. You don't even have to look at all the other options. It's fairly straightforward. Because decreased lean body mass and cold intolerance and everything will occur if there is damage to anterior pituitary because of TSH hormone. Short-term complication is this. This is a short-term complication. What happens is sometimes with damage to posterior pituitary, initially it might happen that there is no release of ADH hormone. And then there is a second phase wherein after the initial shock wears off, so the remaining stock, some hormone is released that the patient will recover. There will be release of ADH hormone. And there are two types of damage. One is the temporary damage and there is permanent damage. After the second phase, if it's a temporary damage, the posterior pituitary will again resume releasing the hormone. And if it's permanent damage, it will never go back to releasing the ADH hormone. Right? That's why they've asked that what is the long-term complication of posterior pituitary dysfunction. Okay?
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.